Do you have one of these that the screen's gone out? It's on. You can hear it. Let's see if we can fix it.
I didn't actually videotape the removal and installation of this new LCD backlight, but I will walk you through the process step by step. This was done on my Yamaha RX-V670, but it would be a similar process for many other Yamaha natural sound receivers that use an LCD screen. After opening up the case, you will see the lamp housing behind the LCD screen as shown here. Pry the bad incandescent light bulb out of the rubber grommet and then cut the leads. Here's an image of the burnt incandescent lamp. I replaced the lamp with a bright white 20 milliamp LED, and then I scuffed the LED lens with a Scotch-Brite scouring pad to make a more diffuse light source. Since the power source for the incandescent bulb was a 13 volt AC signal, I designed a driver circuit for this LED. Since the light emitting diode only allows current to pass in one direction, the light will be on half of the time, 1/60th of a second, as per the AC frequency. The driver circuit also includes a current limiting resistor and a reverse voltage diode protector. The current limiting resistor was chosen to run the LED at 16 milliamps. The protecting diode was installed because the LED in the circuit is only rated to block 5 volts in the reverse direction, while this protecting diode can handle much higher voltages. If you don't agree or have a suggestion with the design of the circuit, I would love to hear your thoughts here in the comments. Here's the LED, diode, and resistor installed into the rubber grommet, and here it is after being installed into the receiver. The only downside to this installation was the angle of the light of the LED that caused the center to have a higher brightness than the outer edges. In the future, I will look at an LED lens to spread out the light more evenly.
Yeah, I'm just gonna quickly show again the display here. So just a slightly little brighter in the center versus the outer edge, but I don't see any flickering. It's very soft, legible. So, how do you turn this off?